All right, for this one, evening tickets are $24.50, afternoon tickets are $19 each. And she wants 6, but she also wants to know what the difference would be. So you know she's going to buy 6 tickets. That's your first number. She's going to purchase 6. Then she wants to know the difference between $24.50 and 19. So she's going to say 6 times, that's a parentheses, 24.50 minus 19, close parentheses. So this should tell her 6 times 24.50 is, where's my calculator? 800. 6 times 24.50, it's going to basically be 147 minus 19 times 6. 114, which is a difference of 33. So that's it. I hope that makes sense. Now let's go to the next one. All right, here, servers get a 50-cent bonus every time the special is ordered, but they have to sell at least 10 before they see a bonus. So right there, you know, there's a certain amount that they have to make. What is 10 times 50 cents? That's going to be $5, right? So whatever they sell, it has to be over $5 worth. Then they want you to do a linear equation. B is the total bonus. So it's going to be B equals. And D is the number of specials. So D, and the specials are 50 cents. And you have to sell $5 worth before any of them count. So let's go down here and see what they give us. All right. So B equals, that's good. D, that's the number of specials. The specials, they get 50 cents per. So D times 0.50, but minus the $5 because they have to sell 10 before they start getting a bonus. And you can check this because you can say, all right, let's say they sold 15 specials. And 15 times 50 cents is going to be $7.50, right? So times 50 cents, it's going to equal $7.50. But they don't get anything until they take away the $5. So take away $5. In this case, they'd make $2.50 if they sold 15 meals. Does that make sense? I hope so. All right, and then the last one is a quadratic equation. So we've got 3x squared minus 54 equals negative 21x. And this needs to be turned into quadratic form. That's a 1. So you're going to add the 21x in order to make that 0, which means you're also going to add 21x to this side. So your quadratic equation is 3x squared plus 21x minus 54 equals 0. And I assume you wrote this, so you are correct. A is going to be 3. B is 21. And C is negative 54. Now you take your quadratic formula. Let's see if I can remember this without looking it up. Quadratic formula should be negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2 times a. All right, let's plug this in. So b, I said, was 21. So we have negative 21 plus or minus the square root of 21 squared minus 4 times a. A is going to be 3 times c is negative 54. And this line goes all the way across. And that's all going to be over 2 times a, which is 3. All right, now we're going to break that down. So we've got negative 21 plus or minus the square root, and 21 squared is 441. And then we've got 4 times 3 is 12. Or negative, actually, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 54 equals 648. So it's going to be plus 648. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So all this over 6. And then 648 and 441 is, keep writing, negative 21 plus or minus square root of 1089 over 6. And then we need the square root of 1090 or 1089. So square root, nope, clear that. Green button, square root 1089. Square root of 1089 is 33. So we've got negative 21 plus or minus 33, that square root is now gone, over 6. Now, the last thing you do for these guys, negative 21 plus 33 is going to be 12 over 6, which equals 2. Then negative 21 minus 33, which is going to be negative 54 over 6, and that equals negative 9. So your answers are 2 and negative 9. Perfect. All right.